Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2022 Kawasaki KRX 1000 with a ton of cool accessories on it. Want to do a little walk around and let you know it's for sale. Let's start off with those 35-inch tires. System 3s, Sedona wheels. Nice custom wrap, cage, mirrors, windshield, winch, Ryco street legal kit, spacers, LED lighting, Viper shift gate, KRX cargo box, harnesses, and a few more goodies. It is here at Big Pine Sports if you'd like to come and take a look. Give us a call, shoot us a text, 435-427-3338. What's the price? You're not going to be able to believe this. Only $21,000. If you'd like to get a hold of me after hours, shoot me a text. If I don't answer, 435-427-3338. If you'd like me to hold this for you, or if you'd like to set up a time to come and check it out. She's not gonna last, but she is looking good. Have a great day, everybody.